On October 4, 2014, our team attended the seminar Oil Politics and Currency, given by Professor Albert Kwon. In this seminar, we learned about the distribution of oil and impacts of oil price on different aspects, especially on currency and policy.
Although oil resources become less and less, the oil price does not keep increasing in recent years, which contradicts to the supply and demand theory we learned in economics. If demand increases and the supply decreases, it will lead to a higher equilibrium price.
After the seminar, we booked a group study room and discussed about this economic phenomenon. It is obvious to everybody today that energy is a very important strategic element of the country's economy. Continuously growing population and industrial sectors demand more and more energy for successful development, disregarding the rising price for traditional energy resources, which urges researchers and industry practitioners to search for unconventional alternatives. That seems to be especially crucial for emerging economies. In this slide, a word came into our mind: shale gas.
We found that shale gas with high reservoirs and material production technology can be considered as a complementary good of oil. Shale gas that was in recent years introduced in the United States in result of successful application of fracturing technology appears to be a rising option of reasonable scale. We believe that the increasing supply of shale gas is one of the reasons behind the stable price of oil.
Well then, what is shale gas? What is shale gas and why is it important? Shale gas refers to natural gas that is trapped within shale formations. Shales are fine-grained sedimentary rocks that can be rich resources of petroleum and natural gas. Sedimentary rocks are rocks formed by the accumulation of sediments at the Earth's surface and within bodies of water. Common sedimentary rocks include sandstone, limestone, and shale.
As America demands more and more energy, the role that natural gas will play in that demand is uncertain. Historically, the energy industry has gone through times of booms and busts, and is driven by the economical conditions present across the nation. The industry is also known for paying a higher wage, on average, compared to an equivalent manufacturing job. One thing that is not uncertain is that the natural gas industry associated with shale gas exploration will give the nation another resource to potentially reduce the intake of foreign supply of natural gas.
The relative impacts of natural gas and coal improve air quality. The air quality advantages of natural gas over coal has been borne out in Pennsylvania, according to studies by the RAND Corporation and Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection. The shale boom in Pennsylvania has led to dramatically lower emissions of sulfur dioxide, fine particulates, and volatile organic compounds. Landscape impacts, where coal exploration requires altering landscapes far beyond the area where the coal is. Above-ground natural gas equipment takes up just 1% of the total surface land area from where gas will be extracted. The environmental impact of gas drilling has changed radically in recent years. Vertical wells into conventional formations used to take up 1/5 of the surface area above the resource, a 20-fold higher impact than current horizontal drilling requires. A 6-acre horizontal drilling pad can thus extract gas from underground area 1,000 acres in size. Water. With coal mining, waste materials are piled at the surface of the mine, creating above-ground runoff that pollutes and alters the flow of regional streams. As rain percolates through waste piles, soluble components are dissolved in the runoff and cause elevated total dissolved solids (TDS) levels in local water bodies.